this video we will learn how to increase download speed of IDM. Here you can see IDM is downloading a file which is only 1.141 MB. So I will click start and you will see its speed. It's very slow, 0 bytes, 5, 2, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4. It is not increasing. So what we have to do? I will pause it and show you a demo later. Go to open your IDM, go to downloads, options, from option go to connections, and from here you will select this high speed direct connection, which is for Wi-Fi, mobile 4G and others. Click it. From here default maximum connection number, select 30 to click OK. Click OK. Yes. This is still not working. You will have to restart your PC and it will work fine. So I will restart my PC and show you guys how it is working then. Restarting my PC. Welcome back. As we have set our IDM settings, so now we see how it works. So I will go to same file, I click resume download, and we will see how improved its download speed is. Here you can see it has improved. I am using a bit slower connection, that's why it's not boosting up so quickly. So it is increasing slowly and steady.